back from my run here. Well, I didn't run, I walked. We walked 2.5 miles. Have a tired pup here. And so now, all right, so yeah. So like I was saying, had a very slow start to the day today, but it's okay. That's why I went ahead and I did my walk, because I didn't want to keep pushing it till the end of the day and then me not close my rings on my Apple Watch. I don't know, that's important to me. So that's why I kind of switched back to the Apple Watch, because it has a little bit more of motivating features. So I actually do feel better because we went and got active. And now I have some other stuff to do today. But first, the real reason I went for that walk is because I have a free Dunkin' coffee today that I need to use. And I'm gonna use it. I'm so excited. So let me hydrate the pup and get started with my day. Totally forgot, I didn't even open up this video. So I don't know, I guess it's gonna be vlog style today. So happy Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. And yeah, I'm very excited to share my day with you. And yeah, I have a KidBox here that I got, and yeah, so I have this KidBox here, and they're gonna charge me for it if I don't. Well, I never really check the boxes anyway, but I'm trying to be better about it. Oh look, it's really cute on the inside. There's fall theme things here. So I probably just showed you my child's name, which I'll probably have to blur out, but so this tells you what's in the box, of course. Okay, so there is a Toby and Company girls little purse that is included in here. Is this it, or is this just something fun? I hope that this is not it, because this is $13. Wow, that's what it says on the sheet. Okay, so let's get to the fun stuff. What's in the, there's a fly that's been stuck in my house for like a week, and it's getting on my nerves now. I'm gonna have to get a fly swatter or something. Okay, so there's some leggings right here. I'm not really gonna take it out of the plastic, but we all know what striped leggings look like, all right? And oh, this cute little top. This is the fall box. So look, it's this cute little, basic little top here, but it's got like embroidery on the side here. Look how cute that is. So like I said, if you haven't seen one of these videos before, you can go back and watch one. I'll put the link up there. And yeah, so I have a almost 3-year-old. Wow, where's the time gone? And she has a toddler box. So if you keep every item in the box, then it's $98. Look at this cute little gingham shirt here. It's very full. Yeah, so if you keep every item in the box, then it's only $98. And if you just want to pick the items that you want, then they have the little sheet, whatever, and then it tells you how much each item costs, and then you can just pay for it that way. I always find out that it's a bargain just to, even if there's only a few things that you like in the box, it's probably just best to keep the whole box, because like this shirt is $36, normally $48. This shirt right here is $24. You're ruining my video. And yeah, excuse the dogs, please. And so let's move on. She has these Joe Fresh. Are these, is this Joe Fresh or is it just Joe's leggings right here? They're really good quality. They're jeggings. All right. This is taking a little bit too long. Oh, here's the $13 wow purse. I don't really know how I feel about this. Oh my gosh. This is really special, but I guess as a little girl, she will love this. And since I'm keeping, look, this literally has a place to put stuff. I don't know what she's gonna put in there, but whatever. I mean, I guess if she wants to style this and rock it, she's a very unique, fashionable child. She's gonna say, Mommy, this is so great. I actually wanted to open the box and get her reaction, but I'll just have to show it to her. All right, the box keeps going. What else do I have in the box? I have this pretty, oh, let me move this thing right here. This pretty red striped shirt. I love stripes and I like patterns and stuff, so it's cool that she gets to wear that kind of stuff. And yes, there's still more in the box. Okay. And this cute little dress right here. It's got a little smiley face on it. It's got the sequins and she'll really like that. So yeah, that's what was in my kids box. If you're interested in getting a kids box, I'll put a link down below, and hopefully you can find some cute designer clothes for your kid too. So now I'm gonna move on with my day now that you've seen what's in the box, and don't be jealous that my tiny tot has this llama looking purse right here. So now I'm gonna order my Dunkin' coffee and I'm gonna go get it. I'm super excited. I'm so excited. I'm so tired. This mom life is, let's have a mom works it out moment right here in the car. This mom life is hard. Potty training, the money that flows out of your pocket, you know, like last weekend I had to go buy her clothes because she went through like a serious growth spurt and like she has no clothes to wear. And that's why I was kind of thankful that I got this kids box, because now she has nicer clothes and then she has like play clothes. But the amount of money that you spend on your kid, especially when they go through a growth spurt, is super crazy. Right now I'm trying to find her a preschool to go to, and I can't wait till I get off a wait list and get her on the list, and get her actually into the preschool. It's been great having her like be able to go to work with me and do all that, and I really feel like that she's learned a lot from that, because she is a very, very smart kid, but she also needs to socialize with other kids now. She's at that point, and yeah, I just feel like that I've taken her as far as I can take her on my own, and now it's time for her to go fly off into the preschool land and go socialize with other kids and, you know, see what other kids do, because she actually kind of has adult conversations, which is fine, but you know, she's still a little kid, so that's the kind of life that she needs. But yeah, now that I've had that mom works it out moment with you,
Three hours later.
what are you doing?
I'm cleaning up.
Yeah, we're cleaning up. So you're gonna clean the floor and Mommy's gonna put the dishes away, right?
All right.
Okay. I'm currently struggling with what to eat for dinner. It's Saturday night is usually a time when, let me turn the TV off because you probably can't hear me. I'm watching the British baking show. Yeah. Okay, so Saturday night is a night that I usually just let myself eat whatever I want and I don't worry about it. Get down. So I just don't know what I want. I kind of want chicken, but I don't want to go to Raising Cane's. I don't know. I like Chicken Express, but it's not like the best. So I don't know. See, there's so much pressure on me when it comes to eating a cheat meal, and it shouldn't even be like that. I should just eat whatever I want, but I don't know. Today I just don't know what I want, so I can't really decide. But I'm gonna, and it's not like I can ask her what she wants to eat. Well, she'll tell me she wants to eat McDonald's, but I don't know. I'll just have to figure this out. What do you want to eat for dinner?
That one?
What?
That is
See how much help she is? Someone has seem to have fallen asleep, which is not what I want because it's only 6:30. She was just awake like 2 minutes ago, and then now she's asleep. How does that happen? I know how I talked about this parenting thing. It's kind of hard sometimes, but with every drawback, there is like 18 different more positives that come along with it. And I'm grateful for this little girl right here. She's so cute, but she needs to wake up. And just like that, she's awake. So look, we're good. That was literally, I know that, you know, you're not here with me, but it was literally like the next second. Okay, so it's time for my cheat meal haul. I know that you're so excited for this, right? This tripod's not really working out for me anymore. I went to Navroski's, which is like a local burger joint place, and whew, I'm gonna break it, but this is what I got. I got some buffalo chicken, some ranch that I'm not gonna eat, some burnt toast, and some fries. And then I also got a half order of fried mushrooms and some ranch I'm not gonna eat. I'm probably just gonna use like some Bolthouse Farms type stuff. So instead of eating it, but yeah, so this is my cheat meal. Yay! I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, maybe watch some TV while she's occupied watching Bluey. Whatever Bluey is, she seems to love Bluey. I just saw how Ole Miss is playing Vandy today. So, if you didn't know, I went to Ole Miss. You cut me open, I bleed red and blue. I love that place. Hotty toddy. Let's kick some Vandy butt today.
Fantastic field position after just a 38-yard punt.
So now you know what I'm going to be watching right now.
Back to the studio.
Alright, so I just finished my food. I don't know, I feel like I'm always doing this. I just finished my food and my stomach hurts so bad now. Oh. Okay, so me and Tiny Tot were supposed to make pumpkin bread together, but she is very occupied right now and I want to keep her that way. And I don't want to disrupt anything. Even though I would love to bake with her, I just want her to be happy right now. So I'm gonna let her continue watching her iPad and I'm watching some YouTube videos. And I'm going to make some pumpkin bread. And this will probably be my last official act of today. And honestly, I probably wouldn't be making this pumpkin bread if I wasn't vlogging. But it's either today or tomorrow, and I'd rather do it right now because she's occupied. So let's make some low sugar pumpkin bread. All right, sorry about that. My memory card was full. Surprised. So I've gone ahead and I've made the batter, which I'm glad that I did off camera because I was having a problem with coconut oil. Going back to a solid state. So yeah, so now I'm gonna make this bread and put it in the oven. See what comes out. I forgot to put the pumpkin pie spice and stuff in here. I must have missed that step on the recipe. And here's the finished product. So my bread is done. Yes, it cooked for almost an hour. So it's a low sugar pumpkin bread. as you saw, I forgot to put like my spices in there because I was trying to like do too many things at one time. But anyway, it's okay now. It cooked for an hour. I used half oat flour. Well, it called for 1 3/4 cups of flour, so I used 1 cup oat flour and then 3/4 regular flour, just because oat flour doesn't always cook up the way that I like it to, and I like a little bit more of a bread feeling when I'm eating. So I'll link the recipe down below that I used. Yes, she's doing that because she knows that I'm recording a video. But yeah, so I guess that is all for my video for today. Thank you for following along on my day and being a part of my life. So like I said, I'm doing the vlog so that I can get used to vlogging and things like that. So, hey baby.
Huh?
She's all curled up on the couch here. You gonna say bye-bye? Hey, you gonna say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yes, so like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.